at Marine Corps Air Station Beaufort. As he talks to, like many others, building model planes, and from hand-launched gliders to rubber-powered stick and tissue free flight to control line aircraft, all the way up to radio control. He was taken to his first air show at Quonset Point, Rhode Island, up in the Northeast when he was just 8 years old. Saw the Red Devils, who were later became the famous Houston Eagles, doing a formation snap roll and 3 hits specials. Before he flew powered aircraft. All the way up to a chef. He started flying aerobatics while working in country clubs in the Northeast as well as Florida. And when he started his aerobatic competition, with less than 30 hours of time in a Pitts biplane, he won the second ever Pitts trophy. He pushes to the outside, pushing the stick forward with that climbing way up to over 700 feet over the top. Rolls the airplane and continues as the outside lands. It's so uncomfortable. That's not the kind of way I like to be spending my days flying an airplane, that's for sure. But Chef Pitts takes care of it. Let's see what he's got to say. On the vertical, there's a roll. He'll run out of airspeed. Does a tail slide. Oh! Man, I wish I had my mother-in-law up there. The airplane is a professional chef. That's why he calls it Chef Pitts. Now let's go live to the cockpit and say hello to Chef Pitts in. Let's watch. Puts the red, white, and blue smoke up there and does a torque roll where he backs it up. All the controls are reversed and goes about 200 feet in reverse. Give it up for Chef Pitts, Clemens Kuhlig. He wants to thank his sponsors, Precision Jet Service, Lima Bravo Aviation Insurance, Sensenich Propeller, Tempest Plus, SportsSmoke.com, Softy Emotions, and Michelle Spano Keller for Williams, June, Florida 563-203-9377. Goes for the outside tumble. Which flying the inside barrel roll. Now watch him set up for a flip. We saw an inside barrel roll earlier. And that's tough enough to do because of the coordination that it takes. But watch Chef Pitts as he comes in from the right, upside down, to do an inverted barrel roll. This is qualifications to make it the great performer that it is. Little wing wag salute to all of us here. A big round of applause, if you will, for Chef Pitts. Thanks also to CPM Federal Credit Union. Honored to be a sponsor. The fees are low, the rates are great. Stop by their booth